Good morning. Today we're starting the vlog off with trying a yogurt I made from scratch. I know it sounds crazy. I didn't know that yogurt was made from scratch at home. You know, I just didn't really think about it like that. But Reedy's mom gave me her yogurt recipe and I made it. And I'm gonna try it out for the first time ever right now. It took a long time. And I actually didn't think it was gonna work at first because it was still like liquidy yesterday. But let's just disregard that. Here we have it. Let's give it a taste. It doesn't taste as good as when Reedy's mom made it, but I think it's because I did it wrong. It was only supposed to like sit and grow for like 8 hours and I had to do it for almost 24. It was like too liquidy. Let me try it on. It doesn't taste bad. It's just more like sour. Hers was really sweet. Hi everybody. I am on my way. Finally decently on time, but I'm not like able to just stroll around and look, you know, at the world around me. I'm walking to meet up with Brie and Kaylee. Perks of being friends with an influencer, she gets like free shit all the time. And we're gonna go to a dinner with like drinks, foods, all the stuff in Upper East, which I actually haven't gotten to explore yet. Dude, that angle was not doing me any favors. Here's a PSA. If you are in a city, do not wear gloss. You will be fighting for your life. Fighting, why am I yelling? I'm passionate about this. Do you see all this hair? Fighting for your life to not have hair stuck to your fucking lips.
Rush hour.
Okay, so we made it. It's still super windy. And it's a speakeasy. Let me show you what it looks like. Look how cute. Oh, there's a flash. Okay. It's like underground-ish next to... I don't even know what this is. This is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. You know I love my taste tests. To be honest, I couldn't even tell you, but it's a tequila drink. And it had this cute little honey.
You got coconut, melon, lemon, honey.
Coconut, and it's actually really good. Yes, it's good, but it's so interesting. And let me have Brie do a taste test for her.
Of this?
Or espresso martini. Oh yeah.
No, I got nervous.
Okay. She had a cute little espresso martini. This is for money, and more money.
Peace, love, and happiness.
Oh, peace, love, and happiness. Yep.
Oh.
Good? It's aight? It's aight?
Yeah. I don't really like espresso martini.
Oh. Okay, round 2. Still on mommy. Thank you so much. This one's just a regular margarita, but it's a Japanese margarita.
You dumb? Are you okay?
My arm drank the margarita. It was good. We're running to catch the bus, and I don't know why. Her running is killing me.
What?
We're back at Cafe Mod. Back getting an espresso martini. She's got another mojito. What are we in Mexico without?
We are.
Oh, yummy! Okay, we're at our next place. And it's cold!
Freezing.
Okay, guys. We're on our way home. It's so cold. Wow, I didn't know my hair looked like that. Cheetos acquired because Mama is hungry. And It's about -3
No, it
feels like. You didn't let me finish. It's about -3 feels like. And let me tell you, it feels like -3. They nailed that one on the fucking head. I am so cold I could die. That guy's working. Don't know how he's doing it. They need to pay him overtime ×4. Anyway, we're about to eat this up and call it a night. Bye. Ooh. Good morning, everybody. I just ran 2 miles and walked 2 miles, as you can tell. Maybe you can't. Maybe you can. My face gets so red. And my pace was a 10-minute pace. Like, I'm not even doing anything that crazy. But it's all about balance. Yesterday I drank. Today I want to drink until we run. Okay. To make our heart happy. But some exciting news. What am I unboxing? I know you're dying to know. Me and Jason ordered some gorgeous plates like a while ago. And this is part of our Christmas present from Jason's parents. And so super grateful for that. And we've never had a nice plate set. Like the one that we have now, we got from TJ Maxx years ago, like when we first moved in together. Oh my God, it came flying out, but I think it's good. Look at how pretty. I love it. And then this is like the other plate. Oh my God, no, I love them. Stop it right now. Oh my God. You guys, this is so pretty. Look at the bowl. I love being an adult. Okay, Mooney decided to crash the party, but I'm obsessed. They're so freaking cute, especially these bowls. Like, oh my God. The day before the winter storm hits, we are deciding to now start preparing, okay?
I didn't want it to go bad.
We don't want it to go. We wanted everything to be fresh.
Fresh.
Oh, wow. Soup. We're getting the freshest stuff right now. I've actually never, it looks like they just had a grand opening. Look, even who is stocking up on artichokes, bro? Like, they're crazy. All the salads, which I get. Y'all are smart for that one. But yeah, this is crazy. Okay, Doomsday haul. We got some cereal, a singular gallon of water, some muffins, and some oranges. Love that. Good morning, vlog. We are in the midst of a snowstorm. I've been up for like 30 minutes just watching the snow, being so mesmerized. It's just so magical. Jason just saw someone running. It is currently like 17 degrees outside and probably about 2 to 3 inches of snow have fallen. The snow is whipping around. There's no need for anyone to be on a run right now. Absolutely no need. Don't understand. Even if you had a marathon tomorrow, I don't know. I don't understand. If someone could explain that to me, why no one can take a day off here in the city. No one can take a day off. Apparently it's illegal. I've seen people running all week and it's been freezing all week. Days off don't exist here. It's really weird. Well, he is literally hiking. He has sticks. People are crazy. Coffee in hand. What the hell? Okay, I didn't know this was an activity people did, but more people hiking. That's 2. Look at this. Holy shit. Okay. This looks terrifying. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. How does it look?
It's amazing. That's the best one you've ever done.
Oh my god, it has a BBL. Here we have an obese snowman. It's really cute. Oh my god, it's Oreos and carrots. I wanted a snack.
Post-game interview.
Post-game interview, it was pretty fun. I enjoyed it. I did flip backwards. 10 out of 10. Hi! We're in Central Park and it's pretty snowy. I would say there's like a good 2 feet of snow in some of these areas. There's... Huh?
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Cute. But yeah, it's so cute. Like very, very white. We're in Sheep's Meadow, which looks so obviously different than when we were here in the summer, but in a really, really cute and fun way. There's people like, there's a snowman almost the size of me. There's, what else is there? People making snow angels.
There's so much sledding.
So much sledding. I sled down one and only mountain. I sled down one and only mountain. It was the best mountain. Whenever I was in line, the guy in front of me was like, this is the best one. And I was like, bet. You can't really see the sky or like the skyscrapers. It's super, super, super snowy, but it's been amazing. It is cold. We are officially getting snow in our socks, and so that's posing a problem. But we're having fun. We have smiles on our face, and that's all that matters. Now let's go skip and have fun. Bye. I decided to dive headfirst in on that one. See you later, bye.
Second post-game interview.
Better than the first time. I caught about 100 miles per hour on that one. I don't know if y'all caught that. It was really fast, really awesome. 11 out of 10. So pretty. And everyone's just like giggling and having fun. It's so amazing. All right, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching as always. Comment down below how many inches. It's a lot of inches of snow. And that's it. Thank you for watching as always. I'm gonna do a snow angel for you guys. My last one.